In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy an Uber Eats gift card. Whether you're saying thanks, celebrating a special occasion, or just want to make someone's next meal a little easier, the process is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through buying directly from the Uber gift card page and from an online store that sells Uber Eats gift cards. The steps are similar, and I'll point out helpful tips along the way. First, if you're on the official Uber gift card page, start by choosing a card style. This is the design the recipient will see, so pick something that fits the occasion. Next, choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Common options include amounts like 15, 25, 50, or 100 in your local currency, and many pages let you enter a custom value within a set range. It's a good idea to think about how much a typical order might cost in the recipient's area. Now enter the recipient details. Type in their name and email, and add a short message if you'd like. Keep the message friendly and avoid including any sensitive information. Double-check the email address so the code lands in the right inbox. Choose when you want the gift card delivered. You can send it instantly, which is great for a last-minute surprise, or schedule it for a future date, like a birthday or holiday. Scheduling ensures it arrives right on time without any extra effort. From there, add your payment method. Most pages accept major credit or debit cards. Review the amount and recipient information once more, then confirm your purchase. You'll usually see an on-screen confirmation, and you may receive a receipt by email. The digital gift card code is delivered by email. If it's going to someone else, let them know to look for an email from the sender listed on the checkout page, and to check their spam or promotions folder just in case. If you're sending it to yourself so you can print or forward it later, keep the code secure until you hand it off. You can also buy an Uber Eats gift card through an online retailer. Select the card amount, enter the recipient's name, email, and a message, choose to send it now or schedule it, and pay with a credit or debit card. The result is the same. A digital code is emailed to the recipient. Before purchasing, it's wise to confirm the gift card's region and currency, as usage can be location-specific. And that's all there is to it. Simple, quick, and a thoughtful way to treat someone to their next meal.